Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete your Telegram account. So if you want to remove your account permanently or stop using Telegram for good, follow along step by step. All right, let's dive in. First, open your Telegram app on your phone. Now, look at the bottom of your screen and tap on Settings. Once you're in Settings, find Privacy and Security, then tap on it. Keep scrolling all the way down until you see an option called Delete My Account. Tap on it, and you'll see different inactivity options. For example, you can set your account to delete automatically after 1 month of inactivity, or longer periods like 6 months, 12 months, or even 24 months. So basically, if you stop using Telegram for that selected time, your account will automatically be removed. It's a good option if you're not in a rush. Now, if you want to delete your account immediately, here's what you do. Open your favorite web browser. In the search bar, type my.telegram.org/auth, then press enter. Once the page loads, you'll need to enter your phone number. Make sure you enter it in the correct international format, including your country code. After that, click Next. You will then see a few options appear on the screen. From there, select Delete Your Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Just complete the steps and your Telegram account will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to fully remove your Telegram account in just a few minutes, either automatically or instantly.